Hello friends, we are going to present you Odoo integration with Switchvox for inbound and outbound calls. A brief idea about Switchvox. Switchvox is Digium's family of VoIP, voice over IP phone system for small and medium businesses. Switchvox systems are designed to be easy to use, full of helpful features, and cost less than a traditional PBX. Switchvox is easily managed with the switchboard, a unique web-based real-time call control panel that gives you the flexibility you need to keep your office connected. Now let us see some configuration for Switchvox. Under settings, if we go to technical settings and Switchvox, there is a Switchvox server settings. Open it. You need to mention all the details of servers of Switchvox. You can mention Switchvox IP address or DNS, Switchvox login ID and Switchvox password, and request time. The same as there is one more trigger which we have developed that also require admin access. For that we have configured here Switchvox API login. So for that also it requires domain name, database name, and the admin user and password. Once you will configure these things, you can test connection to Switchvox. Connection tested successfully. Odoo can successfully log into Switchvox API. Now let us go and see how to set up, configure Switchvox extension numbers for per user. Each user who is going to receive calls and call outside. The user, under user panel there is configuration for Switchvox that need to be configured. So if you go to settings, user, and user menu, you'll find Switchvox panel where you need to mention Switchvox standard parameters, that is extension numbers which is provided by Switchvox, and the account number, account ID, which once you mention extension number, account ID will come automatically, and then Switchvox server which we have just configured. Let us go and see how we can configure different numbers within contacts. Here if you see on contacts or in partner, telephone numbers and mobile numbers are mentioned. This mobile number should be a valid mobile number. Now let us go and see how we can do outgoing calls and incoming calls from Odoo.
Working in when I clicked it, so it's going to come into Switchvox, answer. You'll actually be able to hear the call. Can you actually hear the call? And yeah, it's kind of alright. So when I get the call, it's 18269, which is fine. Okay. So yeah, it went through.
Right. We can now try for incoming calls.
Okay. I will give 8269 a call now.
Okay. Great.
Perfect. Okay.
Very nice. So I think it's working fine.
Yep. Everything. It seems to be working now. It's awesome.
Hope you have found this video useful and learned from this. Thank you.